Have you ever seen the clip in the end credit of Napoleon Dynamite? Here, let me remind you what it looks like.
But I still love technology, always and forever.
Okay, you may not love technology like Kip. You may actually loathe it, but you have to admit it's kind of essential to everything we do now. So we want to simplify the potential dauntingness of having to learn another app, another portal for your Disney World vacation. What is a My Disney Experience account? Let's start it there. This is your portal to all things that you need for Walt Disney World. Here you're going to be able to review your resort reservations, park reservations, your tickets, dining, digital payment information, magic bands, and profiles for everyone who's traveling with you. I like setting it up on my desktop first through mydisneyexperience.com, but there is also a smartphone app that you can download. You're going to search for My Disney Experience in your app store and be able to download that to your phone. The same login that you use to set up your account on your computer is the same login that you will be able to use on your smartphone. The My Disney Experience app is a very good thing to have on your phone in preparation for your trip and just to have with you throughout your trip. Through the app, you'll be able to view maps of the parks, manage your Genie Plus lightning lanes, mobile order food, see wait times on rides, and so much more. So this really will be a one-stop tool for all of the things that you need for your Disney World trip to run smoothly. So what do you need in order to set up your My Disney Experience account? It's pretty simple, and you probably already have it. You have a Disney Plus account, ABC, ESPN, one of these Disney affiliated streaming accounts, you already have a login for Disney. You're going to use the same exact email address that you use to log into any of these other streaming platforms to log into mydisneyexperience.com. Go ahead and pull up that page, and you're going to use that login and password, same one, from these other accounts. If you're unsure that you have a login for one of these Walt Disney Company family sites, go ahead and try the email address that you feel is most likely to be that login information. If you don't have one, it will prompt you to create an account and just start there. You're going to fill out a little bit of profile information if you don't already have a login to one of the Walt Disney family websites, so take a moment to fill out that information. So once you've logged in or created a My Disney Experience account, we need to focus on two things that are going to be your profile priorities to get us started. First, we're going to set up your personal profile. Start by hovering over the My Disney Experience drop-down at the top right of the page, then select Profile. Here you should review and update your account settings, verify your communication preferences, and complete the payment method. Make sure that you've got accurate communication and payment information in there. This is going to be the way that Disney communicates you if there are any issues, and this is going to be the way that you process payment for things like Genie Plus and mobile ordering when you're in the parks. Now we want to set up your family's profiles or connect with other friends and family that may be traveling with you but have their own account. So to set up profiles for individuals that you're going to be managing profiles for, return to the My Disney Experience dropdown and scroll to select Family and Friends. Under the question, how would you like to add this guest? You will start with selecting I'll enter their name and age. You should only be setting up new profiles for dependents or other members of your travel party who do not already have their own My Disney Experience account. If, for instance, your spouse has a Disney account independent from yours, you will not want to select, I want to manage all plans for this guest. Instead, you will invite guests to connect. Here, you will enter the email address of your spouse's Disney login to send the invitation. Then your invited guests can accept their invitation via their email inbox or their My Disney Experience portal. And that's it. Those are the basic things that you need to get started in planning your Disney World vacation. Okay, let's verify that you've got the right things in there. Your proper contact information, your payment information, yours and your family members' profiles. Now you're prepared for all future Disney World planning. From here, you'll be able to work with your travel agent to connect your resort and ticket package to your plans, Make park reservations through January 8, 2024. View your future itinerary and prepare for advanced dining reservations. Taking a few moments to set up these essential profile items is foundational to streamlining all future purchases and reservations connected to your trip. The most commonly used by guests are the advanced dining reservations that open up for booking 60 days out from your resort stay, and the Genie Plus and individual Lightning Lane purchases on the day of your park visit. Both of these require profile assignments and payment information to hold or make your purchase. Not having these details set up in your account prior to your transaction could lengthen your booking experience, and you might miss a time slot or a dinner reservation that you really wanted. You're a pro now, right? You are a My Disney Experience Pro. Okay, maybe not. There are a lot more features in here, and we're gonna get into those so you know how to use it on your desktop and even on your smartphone. If you feel like you're still having issues or have some questions, go ahead and reach out to your Vacationeer travel agent. We want to make sure that you feel supported and guided through this entire planning process. Can't wait to jump into the mountain that feels like Genie Plus with you. We're going to get this. You're going to be a pro by the end.